What is up, Lambros? It is Lambro Steve, and I'm in the Lambo. It's a Sunday. We just made it back from the fun little Texas run, and time to do actual work. So I told myself I was going to start filming more of the stuff I do that is not necessarily racing cars around. So I'm headed over to one of my rent houses that we're doing some updates to, because honestly I hadn't been there in about 7 years and it's kind of deteriorated a little bit. There was a above ground pool in the back with a big deck, and there was like a tree growing out of the middle of the pool. Renter wasn't actually taking care of it. The back of the chimney was all rotted. So I've been out of town, but the guys have been working on it, so I'm gonna swing by there and poke around and just see what it looks like. They sent me some pics, but I'm gonna go see it for myself and see. I think we just got the pool and the deck yanked out and maybe a couple trees cut down, so I'm gonna go check it out. So stay tuned, we'll be back. Okay, peeps, here we are, Shenandoah. We're in the neighborhood. So this is actually the first house that I ever purchased. First house I owned, and I still own it, and it's been a rental since about 2009. So it's 2020, so about 11 years. So we'll roll up here and see what's happening with the pool being yanked out, but I'll give you a shot rolling up to the house here. That's it over there. I need some TLC, bro. Needs a little TLC. So let's go check it out. Ruby Bach. All right, here we go. Yeah, you yanked all the wood out. They haven't started cutting trees down yet, huh?
No.
Oh, they started on that tree?
They started on that one. Yeah,
Where's all this rock? Was that just under the pool?
This was behind the decking, behind the wood.
Oh, so they must have like tore out some cement or something to put the pool in, and they just threw it underneath there. Do you think the drain I put in that's above the ground is working?
Yeah.
Think we can salvage this filter? I don't think we can salvage the filter.
I have no idea.
Wow.
Got that pool stuff. I don't know.
So they started cutting down that sucker, I guess.
Yeah. They did that on Friday.
They haven't touched this yet, right? Nope.
No.
Yummy. All right. How long were they here? Were they here on Thursday and Friday?
At least 2 days. It might have been 3 days.
See, that's growing up into the freaking, like, look, it's completely unhooked.
Oh, I see that, yeah.
The tree smashed that. And then it smashed and it pulled it away from the, I can't really see it because the sun's right there, but. See that? Huge, boys. That's Jack, bro.
One of the days they asked me about this. And
Oh yeah, they're gonna yank.
didn't mention that, but I don't know.
We're yanking that down. I think so.
I mean, it's coming apart right here.
Yeah, do you think that's a hazard? So
Well, this isn't too bad.
this over here too.
2x4.
Yeah. The build's all gonna look new. And then we got some what I used to treat the deck with, I guess, just hiding under there. Well, cool.
Yeah, any of the stuff that was like this stuff here, they pulled this stuff out like they want to save it, or maybe they thought I might want to save it, but that was all underneath there. None of that's.
Oh, we had a table and chairs, and that was them.
Yeah, I mean.
I wonder if Sally knows that. I'm gonna send a picture of these to Sally because these were hers. I bet she just forgot about them. She might
And I
want to
guess
get them like wood redone on them or something.
Yeah.
Cause look, they're heart shaped, bro. They're pretty.
Yeah. That bench is alright. Wood is rotted.
Oh yeah.
But
you can't sit on that one anymore.
But this stuff is probably still good. I could probably
rebuild one.
salvage that.
All right, well, here it is. Pile of crap. And we decided that these trees over here, Brandon, are like, they're just little sprouts that turned into trees, you know?
Right.
That's why they have like 9 little trunks. So they're gonna cut that one down too. So, be back. Well, okay, well, that was it. What do you think? It's my first house that I ever bought, and it's been a rental. Renner was just telling me he's been there for 9 years. So I think I had a bad renter I had to evict, and then he moved in 2011 then. So he's been there for a hot minute, but this is our old hood. So we're gonna do some updates. We're gonna do some landscaping in the front. We're gonna cut those bushes back, fix the fence, grow some grass. We're gonna fix that whole flower bed up there. That gable vent needs to be fixed. The roof's good. That tree that you see in the back is the one that's coming down. So we no trees in the backyard. And anyway, so kind of have been a little bit irresponsible with this one because I've had the same guy in there forever and I just haven't been by to check on it. And he's a good guy, but you know, when you don't own the house, you'd think you would notice the back of the chimney rotting away. But regardless, it's my responsibility, so I had to come by there and get some things fixed up. And then we're probably gonna have to move them out to be able to fix it up. So now they want to buy it, so we've got to have that conversation on whether or not I want to sell it or not. So now I gotta call my contractor, Chris, and because I called him earlier and didn't answer. I'm gonna find out what the plan is for them to come out in a bit. So when I get him on the phone, I will throw the camera on. You can hear that.
Playing a little bit of golf.
Oh yeah?
Half drunk. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on.
Nice. Well, I just stopped by the house and to check out the progress. Chris sent me some pics, so I just wanted to see what the next plan was. Looks like they were starting to cut down that tree on the back corner of the house. And then
yeah, they were. We had them going there. I was going to check on their progress here. Obviously, when is that guy moving out?
I'm still talking to him about that. Since we started this deal, he now thinks he wants to buy the house. And
Oh, good.
he was like, well, what if I just bought it, if you just fixed a couple things and I bought it like it is? And I'm like, well, I don't know if I really want to do that. I think I'd rather put a little money into it and get top dollar for it than to sell it wholesale, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't really know.
Well, I mean, I don't want to go too far. Obviously, especially in that case. I mean, we can get the exterior cleaned up here. So I think we'll be done with that this week, and wrap it up.
Yeah, I just need to give him a hard no. I just told him I'd think about it, but I don't know what I would sell it for right now anyway. And I feel like,
man, yeah, that's kind of a tough one because I just don't think you get the. I mean, you're going to get some value out of that thing if we get it cleaned up. But right now, it'd be tough to. I don't know.
I kind of teed him up for that. I was like,
he's not gonna give you what you want for that house.
Right, and that's what I said. I told him, hey man, what I want, you're probably not going to want to pay because of the condition that it's in. But I'd rather, I'd rather fix it up and make it look good, and then sell it or else re-rent it. You know what I mean? At a higher rent amount.
I mean, I guess at the end of the day, I mean, there's no sense in, cutting off your nose to spite your face, Steve. I mean, I guess you could probably come up with a number, throw it at them, and see if there's any opportunity for him to get that number financed. And if he can't, then you can go backwards. I mean, have you even given him a number?
No, no. And honestly, the more I talk about it with you, I'm not interested in selling it to. I want to see it through on what we talked about, fixing it up, and then just listing it and selling it, or once it's done, re-renting it at $400 more a month and keeping it because it'll cash flow really well. So, so I think I just need to kind of let him know I'm thinking about it, but I think I've kind of already made the decision that we just need to get it fixed. And then, whether I sell it or not would be the other question.
Yeah, you need to get him out of it then.
Yeah, either way, we got to get it out of there so we can fix it up. So.
Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to keep going too much longer. There's really not a lot. The exterior is one thing, but until he gets this shit out there, then we're pretty well stopped.
Yeah, right. So we can be done with the outside and then waiting on him.
Yeah, we can start digging around with that, that fascia back there behind the chimney, and stuff like that. But that's so minimal. That's not even like real stuff.
Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. All right.
The problem is if I start tearing that fascia up and we run into a problem, we're gonna have to get inside that house and he's still living there, and then all of a sudden we got a weirdo. That's a weird deal.
Yeah, I know.
So,
and
why don't you just him on tomorrow, and if you can get on, if you're gonna give him a hard no, then give him his 30 days. So at least then we can just say, all right, on July 20th we're gonna start kicking ass on that deal.
Right. Yeah, and I think that's good advice. That's what I need to do is just, we still haven't seen the master. So he sent a couple pictures to me, and I haven't seen the inside of the garage yet. So
hey, what did you think about my pandas?
What's that?
What did you think about my pandas? I worked hard on that.
On your what?
On my pandas that were fucking in the mirror.
Oh, I know. I love the pandas. So Chris and I I was laughing my ass off about that because I was like, how did he Photoshop pandas into the mirror that quick? That was really impressive, Todd.
You want to know the real story?
What?
This is not going to go good for me, but I had my 15-year-old help me.
Oh, nice. Good. Well, that's good. Whatever it takes to get the job done, man. Yeah.
He was like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, yeah, I need you to help me Photoshop these pandas that are fucking into this beer. I'm like, yeah, you're weird. I'm like, yeah, I got it.
You're like, you shut up, don't judge me. Just do it. Do what I say. Nice.
This is important, damn it.
Right.
Get these pandas. All right, well, let me know.
Okay.
I think, has Chris gotten you back everything you needed on the kitchen? I think he was talking to Sally on Thursday about trying to figure out what she wanted to do as far as scheduling. Is that right?
Yeah, so Sally was out with the girls on Thursday night when he called, and then she went out of town and gets back tomorrow. So I think they were going to connect tomorrow to finish that up. But I think he got us what we needed. They were just going to schedule time to go look at appliances again and stuff.
Yeah, my part was done. Chris said he was talking to Sally to come up with like a final schedule, and I was like, okay. So I figured he had that under control. So I guess they're going to connect tomorrow. We'll work on that.
Yeah, cool. All right, man. Well,
are you living there while we're doing this, or are you going to go get like an Airbnb or something?
I don't know. We haven't really talked about it. We'll handle that this week. I'll talk to the renter, and then we'll make a plan with what we're going to do with our house in the meantime. So.
Okay. All right.
Cool, man.
All right, have a good night.
Appreciate you, boss. See ya.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, well, that's it. Got to make a decision. Renter wants to stay in the house and buy it, but I don't think I want to do that. And then I didn't even mention that we're at the exact same time doing a complete remodel of our kitchen in our current house. So that's what Todd was referring to there. So now we got to make plans we're going to have no kitchen, so we're going to make plans to figure out if we're going to move out while they're redoing the kitchen or what we're going to do. So there you have it. So Chris didn't answer. He's really my main contact, but good. This guy Todd answered, so that's good. So anyway, fam's out of town. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and kick it for a minute, and just wanted to give everybody a taste of what it's like to be SteveCurrington.com, not the Lambro Steve, and how I fund my Lamborghini driving. It is a lot of hard work and working 7 days a week, managing rental properties and doing home loans is what I do. So thanks for watching. I will definitely do a follow-up on this one so you guys can see what the progress of the house is, and then I'll do a kind of a before and after on my current house. So later. See, hey, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Later.